Hi guys, so moving on to the next question, pretty amazing question. Now your program starts with main A is equal to 4, B equals to 5 and C is equal to 6. So I'm writing here that A is 4, B is 5 and your C is 6, right? And let's suppose the address of this is 100, this is 200 and this is 300. So what I'm doing first, I'm passing A comma B. So what I'm doing, I'm passing 4 comma 5, F1 4 comma 5. Therefore the value of this A is 4 and this B is 5. Value of this A is 4 and the value of this B is 5. Let's suppose their address is 400 and 500. Right, so guys, this A and this A both are different, right? So now in C is equal to A. Value of A is 4. So C is 4. 4 here. A is equal to B. Therefore, this changes to your 5. A becomes 5. And B is equal to C. Value of C is 4. Therefore, the value of B becomes 4. This becomes your 4, right? Now again, when control goes back to the main, now I am passing address of B comma address of C. And you need a pointer to store these variables. So what I am passing 200 comma 300. That gets stored in this pointer A. This is 200 and this is your 300. It means your A is pointing to this, right? And your B is pointing to 300. Fine guys, now I am taking this variable in C. C is equal to star A. A is pointing at 200 star of this is 5. Therefore the value of this is 5 and this is 5, right? Now next time you are writing star of A is equal to star of B. Your B is pointing at 300, star of B is 6. That 6 you are assigning to what? Star of A. A is pointing at 200. This star you are changing to 6. So this becomes your value 6. And star B is equal to C. So this is your B and this star you are changing it to this C. And value of this C is 5. So this becomes 5, right? Now, after this line, you are printing C minus A minus B. So what is the value of C? C value is 5. What is the value of A? A value is 4. And what is the value of B? B value is 6. So 5 minus 4 minus 6. So answer is minus 5. Right? Just check it once more. I am passing, in main I am passing A comma B. Value of A is 4, B is 5. So value of A becomes 4 and B becomes 5. A becomes 4, B becomes 5. Now I am taking a variable C. C is equal to A. The value of C is 4. A is equal to B. The value of A becomes 5. B is equal to C. The value of B becomes 4. So this is the change. Now when the control goes back to the main, in this, what I am doing, I am writing F2 address of B comma address of C. So what I am passing, address of B was 200. I am passing 200 and 300. So A is pointing at your 200 and your B is pointing at 300. Fine. Now C is equal to star A. Your A was pointing at 200. This A is pointing at 200. Star of this is, that star is like 5. 5 you are assigning to C. The value of C becomes 5. Now star is equal to star B. इसका स्टार पहले क्या था? 6 था. तो आपने असाइन कर दिया किसको? स्टार ऑफ ए को. तो ये वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 6 होगी. एंड स्टार बी इज इक्वल टू सी. जो इसका स्टार था, सी की वैल्यू 5 थी. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 5. तो ये चेंजेस हो गए. ठीक है. उसके बाद printf percentage d c. The value of c is your, for this, what is the value of c? There is a twist guys. C. What is the value of c? Here the value of C we are taking as 5, but the value of C is what? In this, the value of C is your 6. Because we have not passed any function, you have simply passed address of B comma address of C. So when you pass this address of C, so your C value changes. In this I might changing the value of C somewhere. Yes, your C gets changed to 5, right? So this C is not 6 now because you have changed the C. The value of C has become 5. Why? This has become 5 because of this line. You are writing what you are writing, star of B is equal to C. The B was pointing at this. Indirectly you have changed the value of C. So C is equal to star A. You are assigning that to star B. तो आपने ये वैल्यू चेंज कर दी, ये वैल्यू कितनी हो गई 5 होगी। तुमने एक्चुअल डेटा को चेंज कर दिया यूजिंग पॉइंटर्स कॉल्ड बाय रेफरेंस, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे C 6 नहीं होगा, ठीक है, यहाँ पे C की वैल्यू चेंज होगी, कितनी हो चुकी है 5 हो चुकी है, तो C की वैल्यू क्या होगी 5 माइनस A की वैल्यू कितनी है 4 बिकॉज A मैंने यहाँ पे चेंज नहीं किया, और B की वैल्यू चेंज हुई है, B की वैल्यू मैंने चेंज करके कितनी कर दी है, यहाँ से हमने लिखा B is here it is 5 but here I have changed it to 6 star, right? So this the actual data has been changed to 6. So 5 minus 4 minus 6, 5 minus 10 minus 5 is the correct answer, right? Tricky question, good question, right? Take care guys, bye.